Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We got a great question from Tim at Tip City, Ohio. And he wanted to know what's the best way to dry out the crawl space if you've got high humidity and standing water. Stay tuned. Okay, Tim, it sounds like, yes, you're right. We did have a wet season this season. You got some standing water coming in, and it sounds like you're wanting to know how to address that water so that you can get in there and do the work. We run into this all the time. One of the cool things you can do is if you get a chance, go to Ace Hardware or Home Depot or something like that and get you a temporary sump pump. Just one that you would plug in, you can drop it down in the water and it'll just temporarily pump that water out. Now you gotta stay with it because it doesn't have a float switch or anything like that. So you just plug it in, let it run, get the water out, and then get it out of there. And then that'll give you a place to work. Then I would go ahead and sink in a permanent pit that you can get on our DIY store along with the Flowtech sump pump. You just put that dude in there. When you're dealing with standing water, the first thing you always want to do is sink the sump pump in the pit. Don't worry about trenching yet. Okay, this way, if you have to leave the job site and you're taking on more rain, you at least have a pump down there that'll get that water out as the water table fills up inside the crawl space. Once you get that sump pump and pit sunk and running, then you can start working on the perimeter trench around the outside of the crawl space. We of course love the Easy Flow by NDS. It's a great system to use, and I'm going to put a link to that down below if you want to learn more about that. And you had asked if you could use a temporary dehu. Well, that's only if you want to control humidity temporarily, because as soon as you put that plastic down, even though the water's underneath the plastic, it's still going to affect the humidity. Remember, you have to have a dehumidifier to control humidity all year. So those are great questions, Tim. We hope this was helpful. My name is Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.